Okay, so I've done the video, I've made the video in German, so now I'm gonna see all the mistakes they made. So, ja, so, my first mistake is, in diesem Video sprechen wir für 10 Minuten auf Deutsch. That's the correct answer. In diesem Video sprechen wir 10 Minuten lang auf Deutsch. That's a better option. When I was talking about sport, I said normalerweise ich trainiere regelmäßig meine Körper. But it's better. Normalerweise trainiere ich also, yes, because if you remember, when you speak German, you have to put the verb in the second position always. Indeed, because that's I confuse with Italian. Also, when I speak English, then you put the verb. You put first, obviously, the subject. When I do, you don't say when do I. Or for maybe in the questions, maybe you say who am I? Like, yeah, in the but only in the question. But even if it's not a question, when you talk in German, you put the verb always in the second position. So you can say not normalerweise ich trainiere regelmäßig meine Körper. No, you can say normalerweise trainiere ich regelmäßig meine Körper. Ich hebe die Gewichte. You say ich hebe Gewichte without the article. Well, okay, but we put the article everywhere. We don't mind. What about health? Diese drei Dinge zu machen, sie sind Ernährung. Ernährung, which means basically alimentation. Ernährung means alimentation. That's really strange because I thought in German you say actually Alimentation, aber no, es ist Ernährung. The better option, diese drei Dinge sind wichtig. So, diese drei Dinge sind wichtig. Ernährung, körperliche Aktivität und Schlaf. Nicht schlafen, Schlaf, sleeping. Schlafen ist also eine sehr wichtige Dinge. The better way to say that is Schlafen ist also eine sehr wichtige Sache. Oder you can say also Schlaf ist sehr wichtig. That's simple. Then you can say also a better option. You can also say, wenn ich habe viele, wenn ich so war, bla bla. A better version is, wenn ich regelmäßig ins Fitnessstudio gegangen bin, gut geschlafen habe und auf meine Ernährung geachtet habe. Geachtet. I know what does it mean geachtet. Geachtet, like to have something. War meine Lebensqualität viel hoher. Okay. So basically, I say that when I train my body, when I regularly train my body, and also I sleep enough, and I also had a good alimentation, my my quality of life was better, was higher. Lifespan, actually in English, lifespan. Quality of life is lifespan. My lifespan was better. Thank you, psychology exam, that remember me this very true, good. I hit a nail. I hit a nail. So war meine Lebensqualität wäre viel höher. That's good. Yeah. Aber I want to ask, what does it mean geachtet? Which is the verb of geachtet? Because I don't know. Let me see. Okay, I know that. Achten. Okay, like to estimate something, to respect something, to pay attention to something. Achten. Yeah, from Achtung, which means basically warning. Achtung. Geachtet, I warned about blah blah. I respect something, you consider something. Okay, that's good. Then another mistake was, let me see. Okay. I've said, du musst haben, du musst 6 Monate sparen haben. Oh my god. That was really random, like really improvisat. Man sollte genug Geld für 6 Monaten sparen. Das ist gut. Or you can use actually a better version, which is actually more German. Man sollte eine Notgroschen für 6 Monaten haben. But I don't know what does it mean not groschen. Like genug Geld not groschen? What does it mean not groschen? Not groschen. I don't know what does it mean this thing, but let me see. Okay, not groschen. Oh, okay. Okay, emergency fund basically. Yeah, indeed. It's true what I said. Actually, freelance should save from 6 to 12 months of your of your income, but on the other hand, like an employee should should save from 3 to 6 months of your salary. That's it. Just to remember this thing because it's important in finance. Then we have um, Manzote, yeah, not Croatian, so not Croatian, not Croatian. That's a good term, not Croatian. I like that. It's really German, not Croatian. Eine Sprache ist wie ein Muskel. Yeah, that's good. They say to me that's good. It's advanced. Ja, mehr du trainieren diesen Muskel. Nein, die mehr du trainierst deinen Muskel. But a better option is ja. Mehr du diesen Muskel trainierst, desto besser kannst du ihn benutzen. Desto. What does it mean? Je mehr und desto. That's new to me. Je mehr. Oh shit. Oh shit. Sorry guys. Je mehr und desto. Let me see this thing. Okay. Ja mehr plus plus. Okay. Like the more you do something, the more you have then. The more you have X, the more you have Y. So je mehr desto. Je mehr gehe ich ins Fitnessstudio, desto besser ist meine Lebensqualität. Ja, genau. That's the switch. That's good to know. That's good to know. Je mehr desto. That's a new thing that I learned today. Um, let's correct other things. In dem Land is the nation. But if you want to say that you live in countryside, you need to say auf dem Land. In dem Land is nation, like Italy, but auf dem Land is the countryside. Okay. Ich würde gerne auf dem Land leben. Nein, in dem Land, auf dem Land. So, what about social media? Es kommt darauf an, it means it depends. Es kommt darauf an, it depends. Es kommt darauf an, wie man soziale Medien benutzt. Es kommt darauf an, wie man soziale Medien benutzt. That's good to know. Basically, it say that it depends how people use social media. Wenn du Doomscrolling machen, but the best way is wenn du Doomscrolling betreibst. Betreibst. Betreibst, I don't know what das mean. Wenn du die ganze Zeit sinnlos scrollst, ja, sinnlos, später jener, ja, genau. Das ist alle für heute. That's everything for today. Und betreibst, I don't know what does it mean, betreibst. 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 Betreiben. Oh, like üben, like to practice something. Betreiben is to practice something, uh, to doing a kind of specific activity to handle something, manage something. Okay, betreiben. Betreibst du ein Restaurant? Do you manage a restaurant? Or you can also use betreibst du Leistungssport? Like, do you attend like agonistic sports or something? Or du betreibst großen Aufwand? Like like you move on with something, like that thing you you move on with the process, or you move on with, you do an action, something like that. uh, that's what is important. Ich betreibe, du betreibst, ist, sie betreibt, wir betreiben, ihr betreibt, sie sind betreiben. Yeah, that's good to know. Ja intensiver du Vorsorge betreibst, desto sicherer ist dein Nachtgroschen. The more you plan, the more you planify your finances, then the more you become sure about sure, and you are going to be sure, and you're going to have a emergency fund. That's cool to know. Well, today we have finished, and I'm going to study also from this video. We see another video, guys. Bye bye. I hope you are having a good day with a lot of sun. Here there are 14 degrees. I can't go out, and it's good here, like in my cave.